iInspire is a national conference for women with the motto to inspire change amongst the hundreds of women who will be present there under one roof. We do this by sharing success stories of women achievers across India and understanding from them how they have really overcome their ups and downs in both the personal and professional lives. At the end of the conference, we want everyone who has attended the conference to say or to feel, if they could do it, I could do it too.
Biz Divas very strongly believes in the power of collaboration because Biz Divas is a platform where we believe in bringing together like-minded women, whether professionals or entrepreneurs or businesswomen, because we think that every person comes with their own skill sets and they have their unique strengths, and it's always beneficial to join your strengths together, and that means better working opportunities for everyone.
Women all over the world have something in common, and that is that they like to get together.
I think it's very, very energizing, very revitalizing.
Together to talk, to share their views and their aspirations and their problems.
It's a forum of like-minded people with such fantastic perspective and views, and you get to learn and share and also add on learning.
Are all about inspiring change, and one way of inspiring change is to do capacity building via mentoring and coaching.
Transformation is a journey from yourself to yourself, and I think this is the place to be here.
Our mentors actually lead by examples, so they share their stories, their challenges, their insights, their failures, their successes.
I think to constantly stay connected, constantly network with one another, for the simple reason that you need the positive flow of energy.
This gives a fresh perspective to the mentees, and it creates a completely new perspective towards their work and life.
I think this is a forum where you get people from different industries, different levels of management, and it's very, very important for women to network because that is the key to success, and women are reaching a position where they are heading a lot of corporates, and we need more of these forums going forward.
We have actually taken a lot of new initiatives in 2014. We have launched our Biz Divas Jobs Board directory, which is in partnership with Monster, and it will actually help women to excel in their corporate lives. We have also launched Biz Divas magazine, which will bring visibility to women who are doing extraordinary work. Our new initiative, Women on Boards, is an attempt to actually help support, mentor and promote women in the boardroom positions at the corporate level.
Mentoring is very important for everyone, whether being woman or a man, because mentoring, everybody does not need to go and invent the wheel every time. Very few people get good mentors, and Biz Divas is organizing this platform for us to get for people to get mentors, for us also. I think we should just be thankful and take the become a mentee and just move ahead.
Biz Divas is a social networking platform where women meet a lot of other women just like them. We live in a network economy. The best way to showcase your work, what you are doing, by showcasing it to others and meeting people just like yourself. And Biz Divas offers one such brilliant social business network to women from various walks of life, professionals, entrepreneurs. At Biz Divas, we inspire change through networking.
Was started with a passion and the belief that we need to have economic independence for women and we need to give them a voice. So Biz Divas is a national network of women professionals across all walks of life, be it corporates, be it business, politics or civil society. We identify, invest and bring visibility to women leaders who are doing extraordinary work.